Hey guys, this is Robyn Ray with the Home Marketing Group. I am out here at 3515 Peachwood Road. This property is so cool. It was built in the 60s and it has got so many cool upgrades. We're on 3/4 of an acre. There are 4 bedrooms, 2 full and 1 half bath, and there's an open house coming up. So if you guys want to check it out, come on down. But if you can't make it, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. How cute is this? Have all these cool little details, all the updates. So we have got an extra living space out here that leads out to the backyard. All right, and this brings us to the walkout basement. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this is. I love all this detail. I just want this woman to decorate my house, seriously. And we have the beautiful LVP down here. All right, so coming from the bathroom in the basement, you have got your laundry. And in the basement, we have an additional bedroom. All right, if you have dogs, if you have kids, if you just like running around in your Spiderman costume when it's not Halloween, even though it's kind of close right now. Maybe I'm talking about myself. Maybe I'm talking about my husband. This is the backyard for you. Check this out. Yes. And we have a screened-in porch and another patio. Just saying. So run, do not walk. Friday, Corinne Campbell with HMG is actually going to be hosting an open house at this awesome property, 3515 Peachwood Road. Look it up. We will see you then. Call me if you have any questions.